Hey there, first graders. We are learning a new phonics sound this week. These are two letters that we know really well, but sometimes in words, they're going to make a different sound. We're going to call this hard sounds and soft sounds. Okay, the soft sound that we're going to be learning this week, there's two different letters. We're going to be learning about the soft G, and we're going to be learning about the soft C. Now, normally, what sound does a G make normally? G, 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 like in the word goat or game or gum. Those are hard G sounds, g, g, the normal sound that you would make for a G. However, there are some words where your soft G is going to show up. And soft G sounds almost like it's a J. It sounds like this, j, 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 like in the word giraffe, okay? And then same thing for a C. It kind of does the same thing. What are some of the hard C words that you might know? That sound with this, k, 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 cat or corn or castle. Those are hard C's. K, k, k. That's the normal sound that you would make for a C. However, just like soft G, there is something called soft C. And a soft C sounds like an S. It makes this sound, S, like in the word circle. Okay? So let's go through some of those soft G and soft C words that you might be coming across in some of the books that you're reading. Let's start with soft G. So sometimes soft G will show up at the beginning of the word, and remember that it sounds like a J, okay? It's not a J, but it sounds like one. So some of the words that you might see where you have a soft G at the beginning could be like this word, gym. This is the type of gym, like when you go to PE, you have gym class, like the gymnasium. This is the word gym. Listen to the beginning, j, j, gym. It sounds like it's a J, but it's a soft G. Okay, another soft G word could be this word. When reading this word, I see a vowel team right here, so I know that the I is going to make its name. It's going to say I, j, giant, giant. This word is giant, and it sounds like there's a J at the beginning, but there's not. It's a soft G. Okay, so that is the word giant. Another word where you have a G at the beginning is the word germs. I know this says germs because ER says We learned about that. Germs, germs. Sounds like a J, but it's a soft G. So remember that. Sometimes you might have to flip the sound for G just like you do for vowels. A, sometimes you flip the sound and make the long sound. E, I, O, U, Y, we flip the sound for Y. This is another letter where you might have to flip the sound. If you come to a word and you try reading it, it might sound like this. Germs, germs. Does it sound right? It doesn't. So flip the sound and try the soft sound. Germs, germs. So those are some soft G words. There are some other words you might see where the G is not at the beginning, might be in the middle of the word, like this word. Engine. Sounds like a J right here, but it's a soft G. Engine. This word. Angel. Soft G says a J sound. Danger. Danger. Or the fruit that we might eat sometimes. Orange. Sounds like there's a J, but it's a J. It's a G. It's a soft G. Engine, angel, danger, orange. It sounds like a J, but it's a soft G. Okay, now let's move on to our soft C words that you might see. So remember that a soft C sounds like it's an S. It sounds like this. S. Some of the words that you might see where there's a soft C at the beginning could be like this word. It, E. I see a small word hiding in here. It. Itty, city, like when you go into the city. Not in the country, but in the city. That has a soft C at the beginning. We learned about this last week. Cents, like money. And cents, like when you're talking about coins, you'd say, I have 6 cents. One more, let's do this was the one you probably know most. I see a sound right there. Circle. This is a soft C at the beginning. Circle, circle. Okay, that's a soft C word where C is at the beginning. Now, some other soft C words that you might notice where C is in the middle. Here's one. Ace, ace. This is one of those magic E words where you have to notice the E's at the end and the vowel flips its sound. So not only is the vowel, the A, flipping its sound, going A instead of A, the C is flipping its sound too. Instead of reading this as ache, fake, you gotta flip those sounds sometimes. This was going to be a ace. Okay, soft C there. Another word where you have a soft C in the beginning. Ice. Another magic E word. Ice. Sounds like an S would be here, but it's a soft C instead. Okay, maybe you're in a ace, or you live at a certain place. Okay, so soft C, soft G, both of those are letters that sometimes when you come to it in a word, you might have to flip the sound. So a soft C can sometimes make this sound, S, and a soft G can sometimes make this sound, J. Okay, so be looking for some soft G's and soft G's this week, and we'll be reading a poem about soft G and soft G, soft C and soft G really soon too. I hope you are having a good day, and I'll see you soon.